Where are you from?
Bangladesh.
Okay, I'm from Indonesia.
Indonesia. Oh, Indonesian, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay, okay, okay. So,
Yeah,
how was your day?
my day was busy,
Okay, I can't hear you.
busy and night.
Oh, okay, 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 okay.
What?
Okay, please.
To invite me.
Okay, 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 okay. So, I'm here for talking with strangers. What are you doing now?
Going? I will talking to you.
Okay, okay, okay.
I was
I'm also
talking to
talking to
you.
you. Can we be friend here?
Mm-hmm. Hmm?
Can we be friend here?
Yes, Francis, no problem. Yes.
Okay. Do you know you have so beautiful hair?
I'm beautiful. I'm not
Yeah,
beautiful.
yeah.
I'm not beautiful.
But
I'm ugly.
wow. So, what's your name?
Look my profile. It's my name.
Yeah. What's your name?
Honey.
Honey. Oh, nice name. Nice name.
Uh,
Your name is Honey. Do you know
it's my
what
name.
is my name?
Yes.
My name is B.
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 Okay.
Do you know bee make honey?
Overconfident.
I'm not
Uh,
kidding to you. Please, never mind. Okay.
okay.
Can I ask you some question?
What's that?
How old are you?
My age is private. Why?
Okay, okay, please. I can't hear you clearly. Please speak loudly.
It's good. It's good. My headphone.
Okay,
I
okay, okay,
think
okay.
you have a problem. Your headphone.
Okay,
My
okay,
headphone is good.
okay. So I said, how old are you?
I said my age is private.
Private. Okay,
Look at me.
okay.
What
Yeah, yeah.
what age?
Can you show me your full face? I wanna
My
guess your old.
face.
30.
My face. My face. What?
Yeah, 30.
30. Okay.
30. True or nearly?
Maybe.
Okay, okay, okay.
Maybe.
Okay, okay, okay. Said you can guess my old. I mean, how old I am.
30 plus.
I'm not over 30. I'm under 30. 27.
Mm-hmm.
What do you do for
That's
your
good.
living?
I don't have a work. I don't have a work.
You don't have any
I'm a
work.
poor.
You mean you don't have any work?
No.
Why not?
My work is eating.
What?
My work is eating. Eating.
Eating.
Do you understand?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes, my work is eating.
Eating. Okay. So
Uh-huh. No work.
I told you I can't hear you. I can't hear you clearly. Please speak loudly.
My headphone is good.
Okay. Which kind of food do you eat most? I mean, do you like most?
Any kind of foods. I will.
Oh, really? But I think you eat so many apple every day.
Apple.
Apple, apple.
Eating fruits.
Yeah. I think you eat it too much.
Okay. Too much foods.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Because your face look like an apple.
My face look like apple. That's why what?
So
Ugly.
no, no, no,
Ugly face.
no,
And how about you? Do you have kids?
no, no, no. I don't have any kids because I am unmarried.
You married?
No, 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 unmarried.
Okay, you're not married.
Why you here?
Same at you. To introduce a lot of people here talking
Same as me.
like that. It's my I want like that.
Okay, okay, okay,
Anything I don't know.
okay, okay.